Good morning, beautiful people, and welcome to the Oracle reading for the day for 29th August 2020. And this is Shilpa Menon. It's a very beautiful Saturday. I woke up really early and met a very beautiful soul just for a cup of coffee as she was traveling to another city. And I really had a very pleasant morning with a cup of coffee, sitting in my garden, watching my cats. So it was really beautiful. Having said that, let's see what is the serene Saturday bringing for all of us from the angels via the oracle cards. What have I chosen today? I've chosen a lovely healing with fairy card deck. I hope you can see that. Yeah, since I was sitting in the gardens, I started thinking about the fairies. Yeah, thank you so much, Ashmita. I'm so glad to see you here. You did come in my dreams. I'm going to personally DM you later. So yeah, I was sitting in the garden and I started thinking about fairies, and that's what made me pull the card or get in touch with the fairies deck. So this is how the back cover of the card looks like. This beautiful butterflies. Can you see that? Right. So let's ask the fairies, what is the message you would like to give us today, just for today? What are the energies we need to invoke, imbibe, or practice, right? So let's just see. And amazing, lovely card. Like I said, it's a serene Saturday, and the message is so bang on. Lovely greens. Can you see the tiara of flowers on the fairy's head? Yeah, so the message is peace of mind. Do I need to say anything? Right. So most often we speak about situations, places, things, and we do tend to lose our centeredness, or we feel a little chaotic or upset. So just for today, the fairies are asking you to choose peace. One of my favorite affirmation is, a lot of times when I think of peace is in any situation, is I ask myself that I have a choice to respond. I may not be able to work on my surroundings, but how I respond is in my hands. And that is the time my inner mantra is most often, I choose peace instead of this. So just for today, the fairies are asking you that think peace, breathe peace, talk peacefully. You can lower your tone, you can bring in peace in the way you communicate, probably meditate or sit with your silence. Like I said, I had a lovely peaceful morning with a friend where we were sitting in the garden. So be in the nature, because when fairies come in, it's always about connecting with nature. Do something beautiful and peaceful for birds, animals. If you have plants, connect with them. Yes, Ashmita, I choose peace too. And most often when we are in arguments, there is a lovely quote. I think it was said by Wayne Dyer. It would have been older, but I had read it in Wayne Dyer's book, where he says that in any given situation, when you're in a conflict, especially with your loved ones, ask yourself, do I want to be peaceful or do I want to be right? Sometimes it's okay to differ in the way you look at life. So a lot of times I anchor and remind myself that, do I want to be right or do I want to be peaceful? So just for today, choose peace, breathe peace, do things that make you very peaceful, and become a peaceful warrior. Spread the peacefulness all around. Yesterday I did mention that I started my peaceful practices of going silent, and that is what brings me a lot of peace. The thoughts completely stop for some time. So allow your heart, mind, body and soul to choose peace and be a peaceful warrior today. That's exactly what fairies are saying today. Have a peace of mind. Stay away from toxic people, toxic situations. If you're in that situation, you know the affirmation you can make. Be a bringer of harmony, love and peace. And thank you everyone who's joined in. Hi back to you guys. This is Shilpa Menon. This is your crisp reading for today. Have a serene, soulful Saturday. Goodbye everyone, and I'll see you tomorrow. Shabba khair. Do let me know your practices. What did you do today? Was there any situations where you chose peace, or is there something different that you did that created an environment of peace? And one of the archangels you can call for peace is Archangel Chamuel. I just remembered that. And Archangel Chamuel's aura is spring green light. So you can either invoke the orb or the aura, or just ask Archangel Chamuel to be with you, because he is a bringer of peace. So go ahead, have a happy Saturday, and I'm going to now sign off. Shabba Khair. Bye everyone. Thank you for joining in.